In this video, I am going to show you how to clean your Meaco fan. So most Meaco fans are designed so you can remove the front grille and fan blade for cleaning. You should not open the motor housing though or immerse any electrical parts in water. Keep that in mind. So the first thing that you would like to do is before cleaning, just turn off the fan and unplug it from the wall outlet. Never clean a fan while it's connected to power. Then you would like to use a Phillips screwdriver, depending on your model. Sometimes it will require a screwdriver, and you would like to remove, as example, the logo, remove the retaining screw, hold both sides of the front grille, and turn it anti-clockwise until it's released. Sometimes it might have some clips instead of rotating mechanism. So if you have some clips, locate them and remove them. Then you'll have to lift it carefully. Up next, you will have to turn the blade locking cap clockwise to loosen it. Some models will be turning anti-clockwise again, and you'll have to remove that locking cap. Once you do so, just go and pull, as example, the fan blades straight off, then start cleaning the fan using a soft dry microfiber cloth or a non-abrasive wet wipe. Clean the fan blade, the front grille, and any dust, an example, inside the fan that you can easily reach. Keep in mind that you should not get the motor wet. Do not spray water directly into the fan or allow the motor to get wet. So once everything is dry, you can reinstall the fan blade. As an example, tighten the locking cap, twist the phone grill back into place and reinstall the retaining screw drive. Then you'll have to plug the fan back and test it. If there's no weird sounds and everything working as it should, that means you're good to go and you successfully cleaned your Meaco fan. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.